welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this really simple lavender wreath using a wreath frame from the Dollar Tree and some lavender from Walmart. Stay tuned and I'll show you how to make it. Alright y'all, let us get started. So first off, what I have here, this is a wood blend wreath from the Dollar Tree. It is 12 inches in diameter, and in my store I saw where they had two different sizes, and you know what? I didn't even look at the tag on the smaller one. But this was the larger one, and then they had one that was slightly smaller. So I can't tell you the size of that one, but either size would work. I'm sure either size would work. But I have the 12-inch one. I also have a handful of these little lavender sprigs from Walmart. Now, I don't know exactly how many I'm going to use on this particular project, but I think I got like 20 of these, you know. I'm not going to use that many, but I like lavender, so I just grabbed a handful. You're going to need some floral wire. You're also going to need some ribbon. Now, this ribbon came from Walmart around Christmas time. I mean, it's buffalo plaid. You can find this all over the place, okay? But it is the black and white. You're going to need some wire cutters, hot glue gun, and glue sticks. And I'm going to be painting this. I don't want to leave it this color. I want to paint it white, okay? I want it really bright and springy-like because I'm getting sick and tired of the cold weather. But anyway, this is linen white from Rust-Oleum. It's the Chalked Ultra Matte Paint. And this is sort of like a spray-on chalk paint, okay? Sort of like a spray-on chalk paint. So what I'm going to do is, because it's actually going to be 70 degrees here today, I'm going to take this outside and I'm going to spray paint it. Because we're getting ready to get a week full of freezing rain. So, Mother Nature is insane right now. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to spray it on all sides with this white paint. And then when we come back, we're going to start attaching flowers and a bow. Okay, so the paint is dry on here, and I didn't really put a whole lot of paint on here. I mean, I didn't want it to look like it was like plastered on there, you know. I just did 2 light coats, or, you know, it gave it some color, but doesn't look like it's been like hardcore painted. It's kinda, English, what is it? To me, it looks more like it's been sort of stained or something. I don't know, I like the way it looks. But anyway, this lavender here, of course, like I said earlier, from Walmart, and I don't think I want to put the whole thing. No. All right. Yeah, bad idea. I don't want to do that. I'm just going to take my wire cutters here and let us cut off a few pieces. Break me off a piece of that lavender pick. Boink. I wrote that. All right. I don't want these to be too long. Now, what I want to do, I want to try with this floral wire to really hold it in place. And then kind of back that up with some hot glue. What is that? I don't know. Kind of back it up with some hot glue. So let's kind of see how this is going to lay down. What I want to do with it is have some going this way and then some going this way and then a bow in the middle. Okay, so that's what I'm going to aim to do. I'm going to lay this piece of wire here and hopefully it doesn't go away. So let's see if I can just kind of lay that down in the grooves there. I'm going to lay down my groove. Lay it in the grooves. Let's see. Yeah. And then just kind of take this wire and you see like in the little cross section here, just kind of run it down around there. Get in there. All right. Now, I don't know how easily this wire is going to fit down in between these things. I mean, these wreaths, they're not really tightly woven, so I think it's going to be okay. So let's see. Okay. There it is. Why are you doing this? I don't know. Let's see if I can pull it out with these cheapo scissors. There we go. I broke those scissors, but I don't want to get rid of them. All right, let's see. I'm trying to do this so that not a whole lot of the wire is showing. I do have the green wire, but I picked the silver kind because I don't really want it showing all that much. And I think it's going to be just fine. Don't worry about what the back of my wreath looks like. Just going to trim that off. And then, like I said, I can go back and really secure it down with some hot glue. Okay, there we go. All right, so I'm just going to do, stop it. I'm just going to do that with some more pieces of this. Let's trim this off because that's a little too long. You know what? I might want to trim that off too, because that little doohickeys sticking out. You don't want your doohickeys sticking out. That's unbecoming. So let's put some of this here. Yeah, that'll look good. All right. So I'm going to place some of these this way, and then I'm going to start putting them on the other way. Okay, so let's take a look at what I have so far. I have used 2 bundles of the lavender. 2. I have 5 pieces going around this way and then 5 pieces going around this way. And this is pretty much staying where I want it to. There's just a few little spots where I'm going to use some hot glue. And I'm just going to try to maneuver this around and get it exactly where I want it. But anyway, jewelry time. Jewelry. This is from Paparazzi Jewelry. Each one of these is only $5. If you will look in the description box and click on the link that says Paparazzi, and then click on the little button that says shop, it will take you to the jewelry. Now, if you're into this lavender stuff, my awesome, awesome friend Michelle from A Noble Touch just put up a few videos on her channel, and I believe that she used this exact same lavender. So if you want to head over there, I'll put the link to that video in the description box. And you can go over there and make a few other pieces that would blend in with this really nicely. Let's see. All right. I think that was okay. It was just that one. Okay, this up here. Let me do a quick look at that. I think that'll be okay too. Okay, now let's stick a bow on this baby and it will be done. To hang this, you can use a wreath hanger, or you can just take a piece of that floral wire and make a loop out of it and just fasten it to one of these. But for this bow, I've made the bow out of that ribbon. Now, if you've watched me for a while, then you've seen this video. Again, I'll put the link in the description box of my bow video showing you how to make this no-tie bow. It's the same method used in that video. I just used different ribbon, okay? So now let's take a look and see about where I want to place. I think that ribbon right there, because see, there's a piece of wire right there. Let's see if I want to. You know what? Let me run a piece of wire right through this loop right here on this bow so that we can fasten it down that way. And then I'll still use a little bit of hot glue to really hold it down. I ran the piece of wire around the back, and now I'm just going to put it right here. I'm going to flip this over. I hate flipping things back and forth and back and forth and back and forth. I'm just going to tighten it down. Now, if you're worried about these little pieces of wire scratching your door or whatnot, just take something like a, oh my gosh, I was about to say toothpick, a popsicle stick, and you can just bend them flat down. They don't have to stick straight up. Just bend them flat down and they will be absolutely fine. Come here. Why are you trying to escape me? Sit over there then, if you're going to get an attitude. Okay, so now I'm just going to fluff up this poor bow because I smushed his little self. Then let's get the tails right where I want them. And then I'm still going to put just a little blob of hot glue right there, just to really, really secure that down. Now I'll stand up and take a good look at this and really arrange that bow the way I want it. But I think I'm going to call this done. I didn't want a whole lot on this. I wanted it to be simple. And you know what? I think I'm going to move that bow up because I can see that little piece of wire right there. So I believe I'm going to move it on up like so. But anyway, I'm going to call this done. If you'll stick around till after the video, I will also have a photo where you can get a better look at this and really, really see what it looks like. But anyway, I'm pretty happy with it. Happy, happy, happy. And I'm going to go hang this on my wall. I don't think I want it outside. I'm going to hang it on the wall. But there we go. If you would, please give this video a thumbs up. Click subscribe. Check me out on other forms of social media, the links to all of which will be in the description box down below. And I hope to see y'all next time. Bye.